Welcome to the Holiday Shelter Channel. In this episode, we're exploring architectural wonder in the woods. Just 2 hours away from Manhattan, New York, in the United States, you can find this architectural wonder in the woods. The house is filled with geometric shapes and raw edges, yet fully equipped with advanced kitchen gears and heated floors. The house is an open plan, and though it has 0 bedrooms, it can sleep 3. Though the house is conceptual and minimal, it has a rustic fire pit in the house that burns using wood. At the entry porch, an orb of wood carved out of the house will welcome you into a play of geometry. Situated around one main volume and open to the second level, the kitchen is placed in the center. Instead of fossil fuel, the house is heated geothermally. Instead of grid power, the house has electricity from the sun. Enjoy a weekend or a few days eco-friendly retreat in an architectural geometric masterpiece on 30 preserved acres, just minutes from all that Rhinebeck and the Hudson Valley have to offer. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. See you in upcoming episodes.